guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing super well. Today it is Wednesday, it is the middle of the work week, and I'm not gonna lie, Monday and Tuesday were a little bit slow. My friend was here, so I decided to work on more like online stuff and not so much like content creating or anything. So today I'm doing a bunch of that stuff. I actually got some new stuff in the mail, so I did some like little unboxing videos for like TikTok and to show on my Instagram, but I wanted to share with you guys too in case you missed it or something. So I'm gonna share those with you guys today. And then also, if you saw on Instagram, then you know that I did a collaborative collection with another small brand called CEREMONIA, and I'm gonna share all of those collection pieces with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started with that first. I'm gonna show those pieces to you guys. Since it is my collection with them, I obviously have like some stuff already around the house. So I'm gonna show you around, show you those items up close so you can see them. I'm really happy about this collection because it looks so cute. I love all the pieces in my apartment and it all goes well with like my style and everything. But yeah, first I'm gonna share with you a little bit about the brand that I work with called CEREMONIA. So let me sit down, grab my coffee, and we'll have a little chat. Alright, so before I share the pieces of the collection with you, I wanted to share a little bit more about the brand. I met Karina, which is the owner of CEREMONIA, through Instagram. She reached out to me a long time ago when she like first started her business and everything because I had my CASITA page. So she sent me a gift with some stuff from her shop and everything, and ever since then we've been really close friends and just like talking about business and everything in general. She's obviously also a small business owner, so we had that in common. She's also Latina and we were going through a lot of the similar things at the same time. So we got really close and we decided that we really wanted to do a collaborative collection. So after a bunch of months of trying to get everything done and obviously COVID being a factor, we finally were able to release this collection as part of Women's Month. So a little bit more about the brand. So all of the CEREMONIA items are handcrafted in Bali, Indonesia, and you guys know that I love Bali, so I was really excited to be able to be a part of this collection. And how this all started is Karina traveled to Bali and she decided, alright, so since I'm here in the dining nook, I figured I'll share with you the ones that I already have styled in here because I have some plant hangers and then I'll show you the other ones. So let's start off with the window because I love having plants all around my window. Alright, so first we have these plant hangers and we named them the CASITA plant hangers. So they're really cute. This is the size medium. You can see some beading right there and it's all macrame. And then they have some wooden rings right there. Really cute. And then right here we have the other CASITA plant hanger and it's the exact same, it's just in a size small. Then right here we have the Emily plant hanger. Once again, it has the little beads and the wood theme going on. Very boho, it's super cute. They have those little tassels on there, really cute. And I love how simple it is and it's very lightweight and looks cute literally anywhere. And then there's two other plant hangers. I just don't have them styled right now, but these are it. Let me go ahead and show you because they're super cute. So just like those other CASITA hangers, we also have a double hanger and these look super cute. If you guys want to see them styled, I have a lot of pictures over on my Instagram. Here's a little closer look, really cute macrame. And something I want to point out again is that all of this is handcrafted in Bali by women mostly, so that's kind of why we wanted to do a collection during Women's Month. So I do want to emphasize that everything is fair trade. So Karina travels to Bali and personally meets with these women and families who make these pieces and other pieces for a living. So it's awesome because the artisans in Bali receive their fair payment and there's no middleman or anything. As the CEREMONIA brand, they work specifically with those artisans closely and they've developed such a great relationship already, which is super nice and it makes me miss Bali even more. Alright, so let me show you another piece. This one's awesome, especially if you love jute. This is like the ultimate jute plant hanger. So of course we have some nice chunky beads right here. And this one is huge, really beautiful. So I love this one, such a statement piece. I had this one in like my front entrance hanging on the curtain. But yeah, I love it so much. I need to figure out which plant I want on here exactly. And the last piece of the collection is the Classy Yarn Tassel. You can see the detailing on there, some more beads of course. Here's the details on this yarn. Really cute. I like to keep it on my doorknob in my bedroom. It's just a really cute decorative piece. But as I was saying, so Karina from CEREMONIA has been working with these artisans in Bali since like 2014. And she was sharing with me how the borders in Bali were closed for such a long time since like the start of COVID, obviously. And she told me that 80% of people on the island have been out of work. Obviously, you can only imagine it's really, really tough and super unfortunate. So she's obviously happy to be able to offer consistent work for her artisan partners. And I'm really honored to be able to be a part of this collection with her. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of the items that I shared with you, if you want to hear more about CEREMONIA and that brand story and how they work with artisans in Bali, then I'll keep everything down below. Next, I want to go ahead and share with you guys some other stuff that I got in the mail. I'm really excited to show those to you, so let's walk over there. All right, so we're here in the office. Look at this. Rare Beauty sent me a gift. Obviously it's open because I was doing a little unboxing video for TikTok. But yeah, I got that and I'm so excited to show you guys what they sent me. And Allbirds sent me some shoes. I'm so excited, you guys. I've been wanting Allbirds shoes for so long. So I'm gonna show you guys these two boxes. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I also made a TikTok for this brand. This is a small shop that reached out to me on Instagram. It's called Calida Cera. They made these really pretty candles for me. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, ignore that pile. All right, look at these. Look at these candles, okay? These are like some bougie looking candles. I love them so much. First, this one. Okay, this one, the scent is gardenia and it smells so amazing. Look at her, she's real cute. But yeah, this one, oh, it smells so good. And it's like heavy, it's so cool. I've like never seen these type of candles in person. They're like so beautiful. And then we have this one. It's in a vanilla scent and it smells so good too. I want to get a cute candle holder, like a nice like brass one or gold one to kind of like match with this like vintage feel of my dresser, or of my mirror, I mean. And then this one, I think this one's my favorite. It just looks so like classy and pretty. It's also vanilla scent. But yeah, look at her, she's cute. Super cute. So I'll leave all the information for this shop down below. Definitely check it out. And like I said, they smell so good. I just have them on there for now, but I think I'm gonna keep this one right here on the dresser. I'm thinking about finding a cute holder for this and putting it in the office. And then this one, I'm thinking maybe I'll keep it here too, or like switch them out, or possibly have that one in the living room. I don't know. So there's that. And let's move on back over here so I can show you the other stuff. So first I want to start off with a little disclaimer and let you guys know that I'm not showing you these packages in a way to show off or anything. I genuinely am so thankful for this opportunity that brands feel comfortable enough to send products to me. And in no exchange for anything. Like, so for Allbirds, I was asked to become a part of their affiliate program, which made me super excited because Allbirds is a brand that I've known and seen, and I've always wanted their products, but for me, I always thought that it was like super expensive or something, so I just like didn't like buy anything because I'm somebody that honestly doesn't spend on myself. Like, and just recently I started getting more into like being able to treat myself, and not only like my home decor stuff, but like things that I like wear, put on my face, just trying to take care of myself more. So I'm super happy that they wanted to work with me because a lot of our values align, and they're such a great company. So I want to show, this is the front of the box. So they focus a lot in sustainability. And there's another little thing here. It says simplicity in every step, simply designed and crafted from premium natural materials like merino wool, eucalyptus trees, and sugar cane. So yeah, let me show you the shoes. So like it stated, they're made from premium merino wool. And you don't even have to wear socks with these. I wanted these ever since I was living in San Jose and everybody and their mother had them. So I automatically assumed that these were rich people shoes. So that's literally why I was like, oh my god, I can't have them. But no, they're actually pretty affordable. Now I'm thinking about getting some for my brother because I'm like, he would like these. I don't have a percentage off or money off type of coupon, but if you use my link down below, then you do get free socks with whatever order in case you guys like Allbirds or want to try them. And next I want to show you guys my Rare Beauty box that they sent me. I'm so excited. Obviously, like I said, I already opened it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. I'm still amazed. I was like, how, what? Anyways, super thankful to be given this box. So we have a little quote on the box. It says, "This is makeup made to feel good in without hiding what makes you unique." So here's a little booklet. It just shows more information on the new collection, which is Revelación. And Rare Beauty sent me this without asking me to post or anything. It was simply a gift, which made it even more amazing. So I was like, obviously I'm gonna share. But look at this, super cute. So it just shows more about the collection. And then everything came in this little baggie, but I already opened them all. So I wanted to show you like what the packaging looks like. So here's a quick little look of some of the packaging. I literally opened them all up. So these are all empty containers, but let me show you the packaging of the actual product. Like, it's so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with their 4-in-1 mist. Super cute. So it's like a hydrating mist, you know, you like put it on before or after like wearing makeup or throughout the day. So really excited to use this. And then they also sent me this illuminating, what is it called? So this one is a positive light liquid luminizer. So here's that. So I'm excited to try these out because I've heard nothing but good things about everything. But the description for this is a silky second skin liquid highlighter that creates a lasting lit from within glow. Okay, and then they sent over their new foundation and concealer. And they asked me to basically try to figure out my color. So I'm hoping that these work out. But look at the packaging, like it's so cute. And then I also got this blush, this cream blush, which I think I'm gonna put some on right now. Sorry, you can see like my finger streak on there, but anyways, this is the cream blush and it comes with a little mirror. Really cute. I haven't worn cream blush and I don't even know how long. I forgot how nice it is. Love that. Okay, so I put some on. I don't know if you could tell. The lighting is also not that great. I just put on a little bit, but love it. Look at the cute little container. So next one is, I want to show you this one. It's a liquid eyeshadow, which I've never used a liquid eyeshadow. But here's the packaging, here's the color. It honestly just, it looks like a lip gloss or something, or like a lipstick, a liquid lipstick. But no, it's an eyeshadow and I'm really excited to try it because the color is so pretty. And next, let's move on to the lip balms. So these are lip balms. This one is in color Nearly Rose. Let me show you the packaging. I suck at this thing, I'm like going like this. But anyways, I got that. Super pink, but it's a cute like gloss. I'm assuming it's not going to be super intense or anything because it's also like, it's like a lip balm. And then this one is in color Compliment. It's a dewy lip balm. I don't know if you could see that. Okay. So then this one's super cute. Love this color. This is definitely a color I would wear like all the time. Love this one. Then the last two things. First of all, look at this packaging. It's so cool. So this is the eyeliner, okay? Like, look at this eyeliner. It looks like a pen. It looks like a fancy pen, but it's so cool. I'm like afraid to ruin things. Okay, how do you open this? Oh, so there's that. I'm very picky about my eyeliners, so I'll let you guys know how this one is. Let's hope that this one's good, but it looks good. It looks like a nice chunky eyeliner. And then lastly is an eyebrow pencil. I'm hoping that this color is gonna be okay because my eyebrows are pretty dark. Oh, this is cool. So it's like one of those little brushes. Yeah, let's hope it works. And if it doesn't, then a friend will be very happy to get this as a gift. But yeah, those are the products that I got from Rare Beauty. I'm so happy about them. I'm just gonna put them back back in here, and then I'm gonna organize them into my makeup drawer and everything later. All right, you guys, so I think I'm gonna stop the video there because the sun is gonna start to set and I need to get some work done before I try to chill a little bit for the evening and have some dinner. Next week I'll be sharing a little living room tour where I show you guys everything in my living room and go through where I got everything, and I go through all my plants and plant decor too. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then definitely don't forget to subscribe to look out for that video next week. And it's almost spring. We're getting into spring. I'm really excited. So that means that we're gonna be able to do some more plant care. Finally, the weather just screams repot your plants and give your plants more love, because everybody knows during the winter when it's dormant season, you kind of neglect your plants because that's just how it is. But spring is here. I'm so excited. So I'm definitely gonna be doing some more plant content because I know some of you guys have been asking for that. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm starting to get hungry, so I'm gonna need a snack. So I will say goodbye here. Thank you guys. I will see you next time.